guys, Weza is the best. He doesn't only teach you and actually coach you on how to do your voiceover. He also boosts your self-confidence and gives you various techniques on how to do various things. I learned a lot, and I'm going to continue going through the information that we have been given. Weza, you are the best. Thank you very much.
Very well. I learned a lot of things about how to control my voice, how to control my body, and what else? Emotions as well. And the importance of energy. I didn't realize.
Very well. I learned a lot of things, both artistry and what you're supposed to do. I'm very excited. I'm hoping.
Very great. I met a lot of great people.
Just attended the workshop. I want to say thank you so much. I learned a lot, and I feel like this was a good kickstart in my career. So thank you.